Hello, welcome back. Moghrabieh. You heard me. Moghrabieh Couscous. In essence, this is Lebanese couscous from North Africa, of course. And I'm going to simplify the cooking method to cook it a little bit quicker than the traditional Moghrabieh. But before I start, hit that like button, share this video, subscribe, write comment. I'm sure I'm going to get a lot from Lebanese heritage, people with Lebanese heritage. So, go nowhere. Let's create. So here I have 1 cup and 1/4, or 1 1/4 cup of Moghrabieh couscous, also known as the Lebanese couscous or Lebanese pearl couscous. And for this 1 1/4 cup, I have 1.5 cup of water, which is going to be boiling. Also going to use some extra virgin olive oil, North African, to stay with the theme of North African couscous, which is Lebanese. I'm going to put a little bit, about maybe a teaspoon. Let's see how it's boiling. Almost. So you add the couscous. And what you do is you're going to let this baby cook, but you're going to add some handful ingredients. I'm going to put a little bit of salt. You can use any type, just to taste. Not a lot, just a little bit. I have some fennel seeds. I'm going to add a little bit of that too. See the fennel. And I'm going to add some parsley. Let it boil for a little bit. And when it starts boiling, reduce the heat from high to somewhere on the medium, maybe a notch below medium. A notch below medium. In fact, I'm going to put it in close to low. Couple notches above low. You have to make this baby cook. Now, know that people in Lebanon and other places, they have a different way of cooking it. I just simplify things. I don't feel that I should be cooking this for 80 minutes or an hour. So I'm making it simpler so you can cook it a little bit quicker and enjoy it. Let me add more of the parsley. You can go Italian if you want to. And there are different ways of doing this. You can cook this and add it to a nice chicken meal. You can cook this, with some sort of fish. And you can make a salad. You can do whatever. Then you have a little bit of chickpeas or garbanzos. This is not a lot. This is about maybe 1/4 of a cup, if that. And you add them After about 3 or 4 minutes of cooking this, 4 minutes, add in there, mix them up, let them cook for a little bit, another 5 minutes perhaps. Low heat, remember low heat, keep it low. See how beautiful it's looking?